Shut the bro. I have a fucking lecture in the next 10 minutes, bro. Door is not locked.
We are doing our all-nighter.
Yeah, I'm already dead, but it's fine.
Actually, Addy never cleans his room. Let's do an introduction. Hey guys, ZedTV here. It's time to do an all-nighter. So Addy here, he's a renewable engineering energy in...
Oh my god, you're just fucking it up, right? Renewable energy engineering.
Oh, sorry! Addy here, and me, a human sciences student. It's been 4 weeks. Is it 4 weeks? It's been 4 weeks into term 1, and we both haven't done any uni work. He's not been attending any of his lectures.
Shut the fuck up, I did every fucking lecture.
Yeah, but we don't understand what's going on in our lectures.
That's true.
I mean, me especially, we have so many other commitments. We've not actually been able to keep up with, like, the content of our uni work, which is bad. We're in second year. It actually counts now. Yep. We've had to resort to an all-nighter. So I've packed my bag. Addy's ready. And we are going to be at the library from 11 PM till 9 AM. Don't know how we're going to do it, but we'll get energy drinks if we need. We're going to order a Domino's. So that's going to be our meal for the night. Lots of stuff to get through. It's going to be hard, but it's got to be done. Everyone's out partying now.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
We're here studying. Right, let's get into it. You ready?
Aye.
No, I can see my hands. You have to do it.
Bro, this is embarrassing.
Come on.
This is embarrassing, bro.
You haven't tried, bro. You can coordinate it.
Fuck this, bro. Hey, first all-night of the year. What do you think? Do you think we can finish all of them today?
Oh, too dark. I think it just shows how dedicated we are. Bro, we've not been dedicated for the past 4 weeks. How are you going to survive the night without music?
See, yeah, I'm gonna be fucking dead.
We've never taken photos here, man.
First fucking we did get, bro.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Yeah.
I'll put that on the screen now. Yeah. Me and Addy in front of the rock. What's the update on pizza? We've ordered pizza.
Wow.
Quality check, so it's ready. We've arrived. Why is there so many people?
Oh. I was scared by the lady.
I've been scared by this before.
Yeah, I was like, oh yeah, you can't open this.
You brought your card, didn't you?
No. You? Fix it.
Oh. Can't believe it, irresponsible student.
Shut the fuck up.
Addy, where do we sit? There's not enough space.
Exactly. That is it, bro. Yeah.
Excuse me, can we sit here?
She said no.
Oh.
She rejected you, bro.
The library's so busy, man. At 1 AM, it's so busy, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not even time to place to walk.
Oh, I want this. I want Kinder. Do you remember the story in the toilet? Say it.
Yeah.
You know what happened? Me and Addy were once doing all-nighter, and we both went to the toilet. I was on the urinal, and Addy, you were in the cubicle. All of a sudden, someone farted.
Adi was loud. And I shot at Zach and he shot at Adi.
We both thought it was each other. And then when Addy got in the cubicle and I turned around, we both looked at each other and saw there was a cubicle locked. So it's the other guy in there. Yeah. To this day, we don't even know who the guy was. What are you getting?
I don't know. What do you want? I'm gonna get the Fanta because I'm bored of.
Which one, lemon or?
Yeah, lemon.
Okay, I'll get orange.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, Halloween design. Addy, here's to survive in 9 hours.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
You like it?
That's disgusting. Lemon Fanta's disgusting.
No, it's weird.
Hello? Hi, yeah. It's
I literally saw the fucking shit. Like, shut the fuck up.
Bro, how do you like that? It's disgusting.
I'm gonna ask a very good question. University has the same question for you too.
Uh-huh,
Do you
what
wanna
is
see
it?
the question is?
Yeah.
What do you think, man? What do you think? Yes, to be honest.
What's
The
happened?
thing is, like, someone needs to be here.
Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, it's fine.
That was scary.
Bro, just come in.
Oh, magic. Finally.
Finally. Ooh.
Tanan. Oh, fuck this.
Bro, you don't know how to open the pizza box.
That looks really good.
Damn. Bro, can I have this? Thank you.
Hey,
Bro, please, I really like it. Bro.
No, I need it, bro. I like it.
No, bro,
Nah.
please, it's my favourite.
Hey, come on, bro. Come on.
Alright, let's eat, man. Tandoori hot. The best Domino's pizza you can get.
Seriously? I don't know about that.
Addy, you're such a slow eater.
Fuck. I ate 3.
I ate 3.
That's cat, bro.
Almost.
Okay, bro.
Je te laisserai tes mots en dessous de ta porte, en dessous de la mur qui chante, tout près de la place où tes pieds passent, cachés dans les trous dans ton divan. Et quand tu es seul pendant un instant, ramasse-moi. Quand tu voudras, ramasse-moi.
I feel knackered.
I'm kinda thirsty in the morning, alright?
Yeah, have a drink.
Money, man. It's 1.50.
Right. He has to upload his waist record.
I don't know what that is, bro.
If you're not able to upload XS, please upload a PDF.
I
He's uploaded his cover letter, his CV.
Yeah, but come on, like that's more good than waste record.
Still on the same slide. Guess how many people only living in England?
800 million.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Higher or lower?
Hi. I don't know, G. It's 800 million, right? How much? Show me. Show me.
How many did you say? 800 million. Did you say 800 million?
How much is it?
Population of England is 55 million.
I fucking knew it, bro.
Your first guess was 1 million.
No.
Bro doesn't even know India's population. Neve, what are you doing? Wait, where's your other shoe? There it is. I don't know.
You didn't see that?
I got that on the video.
Yeah, we should replay that.
I don't know. Yeah. Alright, time for another break. What do you think?
Break? What break from what?
Nice glasses. Jesus. Round 2.
Fight.
Look at big.
Okay.
Energy. Do 4 more hours of study. Time for a change of location, eh?
Yeah, hey.
I'm really tired.
I wanna die.
We gotta carry on. Carry on, mate. Addy has temporarily left me. It is literally a ghost, like nobody here. It's so peaceful that it's scary. We've decided to move from here to here. You know what's amazing? I've got 3 screens now. So this laptop in itself has 2. So bam, bam. Then I also can move it across to here. Lovely. Welcome. I moved everything.
Thank you.
Almost there. And Addy once again has left me for like half an hour. Pragmatism. I've been on this for so long and I still don't know what it is. What is pragmatism? Oh my god. Oh, that's This is so confusing. Intellectually, how are you meant to understand this? Pragmatism assumes that presence and absence, or proximity and distance, collapse into one another. An absent presence reflects the apparent contradictory binding together of things absent with things present. The absent has a geography, a surrounding that implies both presence and present. What the hell is going on?
Speak English?
Bro, this doesn't make sense.
I'm saying some tongue sister or something like that. Bro, you keep me like that now.
This is literally the lecture slides. I'm meant to memorise this for my exam. What is this? Oh, another 3 hours to go.
And just dank it, bro. Just knack it.
And I'm still on the same issue. I don't know what's going on. So tired. So tired. He's been asleep for 45 minutes. Oh, finally. That beautiful green.
What did you learn from that?
I can't remember anything. I don't even know what pragmatism means anymore. I think it's over. 6:51. I don't have any physical. I think it's over. It's the end of me. Can't believe we gave up.
We
2 hours left.
Oh, please.
Why is it raining?
At least you are fucking hoodie, bro.
Bro, just use your pizza box. Why does it have to rain? I think the rain symbolises how the experience was today. I just want to go sleep. We were studying for 7 hours. And we want to stay.
Study. I don't know about that, but it's fine.
This has taught me to actually get uni work done, space it out throughout the day. But my days are already so busy. But I've actually got to prioritise my uni work from now on. All night I just didn't get that much done as I planned. You know when you're like so tired, but then you're just like walking everywhere. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to sleep. I'm completely drained. Till next time, goodbye.